If you're like me, then you love a nice summer rain. I'm Sarah with WTI, and the way to accentuate that feeling is with this steel drum from Wetpuorek. This drum kit comes with its own carrying case, 2 mallets and a mallet holder, finger picks, extra stickers, and a music book. The carrying case is very well made with a strong zipper and an adjustable strap. I love the way this sounds. I have a number of rain drums in my yard and my garden, but this one is my favorite. The sound is crisp and clear whether it's in the rain or I'm just playing it with the mallets. I was impressed by the quality of the steel. I've had this for about a month and it's withstood rain, sunshine, and even my children. It has a plug at the bottom that you can easily remove to drain rainwater and 3 little non-slip legs, which makes it sturdy on any surface. The steel drum is perfect for anyone who's looking to start a new instrument. It's quick and easy to learn, and it's therapeutic to play and listen to. So if you're looking for something to add a little calmness to a summer rain, or if you're just looking for a great gift for a loved one, then I think you're going to love this rain drum, and that's my point of view.